legend and tradition, all united in one festival. That's Cagayan de Oro,
Mindanao.
cooked on the myth of the big golden fish. Lives on deep under the city. The fluvial boat procession in honor of the patron Saint Augustine.
Saint Augustine,
the patron of Cagayan de Oro.
that's the Higalaay Festival
Cagayan de Oro,
of Mindanao,
where culture, tradition, and the modernity unite
to create something magnificent.
Colorful costume parade, street dance competition based on 9 steps.
Beauty contest,
Miss Higalaay, dragon boat races. Lumba's a dragon boat, Lumba's a bakunawa.
on the Cagayan de Oro River.
Kumbira, the culinary competition.
Fiesta Sakawahan, the traditional harvest festival. That's the Higalaay Festival,
Cagayan de Oro,
Mindanao,
where culture
tradition,
and the modernity unite.
to create something magnificent.
Friendship,
Indigenous heritage
Catholic faith,
and hospitality
culture,
needs modern activities.
live bands,